gonna get to it. All right, welcome back to another hopefully productive day. I feel like I'm always starting these videos, actually just throughout these videos, I feel like I'm always in such a state of disarray. We literally got home last night, I washed my hair and then just went to bed with wet hair. And I haven't even done my skincare this morning, but we are going to have a productive day of unpacking, resetting the house, getting our life back in order after a trip. And so I don't really feel like getting ready before we do all of that. It's going to be a part of, this situation today. So we need to do so much laundry. We need to unpack everything. I need to get some hydration back in this face. We slept with the humidifier literally on like full blast high last night. I never thought that living somewhere that is so dry, I would go somewhere else and be like, oh my God, I can't wait to get home because it's not as dry. But damn, this is going to be shocking to everybody. The desert was very, very dry. So I need to like bathe in some lotion. I need to do a face mask. We're going to just reset the house. Obviously cleaned right before we left, so I don't need to do any like major cleaning stuff. It's mostly just like, oh, bless you. It's mostly just like tidying up. Laundry is the biggest thing today. And just kind of getting back in routine. Hux was very off his routine while we were there. I don't know if because it's the first time he flew or, oh my God, I'm tripping over my words today. I don't know if it's because it was the first time he flew that his body was just a little off, but his sleep was awful the entire time we were there. So his naps have been really off. His sleep last night was not great, even though we were home. So I think it might just be, oh, but you're so sweet and perfect. It doesn't matter. But yeah, so we just kind of need to like get ourselves set up to be back in routine. We're going to probably go for a WALK later. It is freezing here, of course, because we came back in fall. So of course it snowed. So we're going to do that. And yeah, I just threw on some little joggers, little socks, this little Aritzia t-shirt, and we're going to get to it. This is where we are starting, which is absolute freaking chaos. Hux just had a little play. We had a little play. He has this octopus toy that he's like obsessed with right now, and it's so cute. Just like seeing him start to actually be like interested in different toys and like have certain toys that he gets like excited by. Anyways, so we had a little play. He ate, and then I just put him down for a nap. He went down so fast today, which is great. However, we have a baby that typically naps for 20 to 25 minutes. A 30-minute nap is extremely long in this house. So for the next 20 minutes, I'm going to just kind of do the stuff that would be like hard to do with him, aka like bring stuff upstairs, things like that. So I have all of our stuff that needs to go upstairs just in the suitcases still, because our suitcases also go upstairs. So I'm gonna bring those up, start unpacking those. Hopefully a load of laundry will be done by then, and then we'll just keep on moving. like that's his nap. It's not like, oh, he woke up and needs help going back to sleep. Like, he's awake now. So I just propped him up with his own nursing pillow. I don't know if you can see these little cloud things swinging, but he's just watching those, hanging out, kind of just slowly waking up. And then I'm gonna put this stuff away that's for his room. And this is what I was talking about, this little like sanitizer that we love. And so I literally just put like all of his soothers, all of his toys, the bottle that we traveled with, the pump. We didn't use the bottle or the pump at all while we were gone, but just having them like in the airport and stuff, I still just would like them to be cleaned. And then, yeah, I just literally like fill up the bin. This one is filled too, but just with like the bigger stuff. And then you just put a little water. There is a thing that comes with this, I think, that like you can properly measure how much water goes in there. What is it? Like a little fluff in there. But we just got lazy when Huxley was only taking a bottle because we were having to constantly put water in this and in the bottle warmer. And then I just used the rest to water his plants in here. And by the rest, I mean about half of what was there. But that's okay, because we'll use the rest. Okay, this needs to go downstairs. I'm not really sure where I want to keep swim diapers. Actually, I was going to just say, oh, I don't know where I want to keep swim diapers because they're not going to be using them a lot. But that's a lie because he starts swimming lessons in like a week and a half. Just have a little bin in here. Oh, missed one. I just have a little bin in here that has like summer kind of stuff. This is not it. This is just his little diaper caddy. But yeah, it has like his life jacket and just like things like that it's like we don't use all the time, but I want to like know exactly where they are. I'm actually gonna put his sunscreens in that bin too because unfortunately it is not that nice here anymore, so that is probably done for really coating a baby up in sunscreen. So we'll put his sunscreens in there. This is my deodorant. I left it in the diaper bag because I sweat so much on the first flight that I was like, I need to have this with me. This is another little like lifesaver thing. My sister gave this to us. What is the brand? Laycall? I don't know. But anyways, it's like a baby floaty and they like can like lay down on it. It all like blows up. But first of all, it's super easy to travel with because it's just inflatable. But he also was able to come in the pool with us because it just like clips on. You need a new paper towel in here. First of all, this is why you don't get ready before you start a day like this. But Hux is back down for another nap. So I'm gonna try to just like super quick whip out the last few things down here. We're honestly almost done, except I was being dumb and the whole time we were upstairs I didn't change laundry once, so we're only on the second load of probably like 5 loads of laundry, but that is okay. I'm also gonna bring his stroller, his bassinet seat, the car seat, everything in here and give them a little wipe down. So that is what we're doing. Let's go. Last few little things away and we are officially unpacked.